Okay, we're now going to start to look at the muscles of the body. You have about 30 muscles to learn, and then you have origin, insertions, and actions of each of those on the handout to learn. Starting with the beginning of the list, we're going to start moving from the head down. We're going to do the front and the back of the torso, and then we'll do the arms and the legs, and I will use an arm and leg model for those. The first muscle is the orbicularis oculi. Orbicularis is a round muscle. It goes around the eye. Then we have the orbicularis oris, which is going to go around the oral cavity. So you've got your two orbicularis oris. We also have on the face the zygomaticus major, which is going to run from the zygomatic bone, your cheekbone, down to the corner of your mouth. Okay. We have coming down the neck the sternocleidoid mastoid, and that actually is going to run from your sternum and head up to the clavicle and insert on your mastoid process. These are named, some of them are named by the origins and insertions. The origin is where the muscle is attached but doesn't move. The insertion is where it is attached but causes movement. Okay. Platysma, which is on the list, is not on our models. You have to look at that picture in the book. It's a skirt-like that comes down the muscles. It's the most superficial of the muscles. It comes down and goes all the way down to the chest area. You have your pectoralis major, okay, your rectus abdominis. Rectus means they're going to run in a straight line. So these are going to run in front of the abdomen, thus rectus abdominis. Okay. On the sides, coming at an angle, we have our obliques. Oblique means at an angle. This is your external oblique. Okay. And we also have on the sides under the arms these areas that are called, looks like a serrated knife attaching to your ribs. These are your serraceous anterior going towards the front of the body. You have the same thing over here, you just don't see the rib cage where the serraceous anterior is on that side. Okay. Turn around and we can see our trapezius, half of our trapezius. Trapezius is a diamond-shaped muscle. It's going to run from the base of the skull down out towards the shoulder and then down all the way down to your low back. And you're going to have it on both sides. On this model, they have removed half of it so we can see some of the deeper muscles. So your trapezius would cover the whole back as a superficial muscle. Okay. And then we have our latissimus dorsi, which are these muscles that go at an angle. Okay, you can rub, when you rub your lower back and your back is hurting, you're usually rubbing your latissimus dorsi. Also on this model you can see the deltoid. This is your shoulder muscle, and at this point you can see part of the arm muscles, your biceps brachii, which is in the front of the arm. Okay, you have to use the full term because we have a biceps femoris that you're going to learn. Brachii, brachialis is arm, your biceps brachii, and in the back is your triceps brachii. Look at the way your thumb goes up. This is where your biceps is going to be on the side with the thumb pointing up. Your triceps is going to be on the other side, the posterior side.